Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to configure digital well-being in focus mode on the Motorola Moto G87. Digital well-being is a feature that allows you to limit some apps on your phone or have time to yourself without your phone because the apps are blocked. The first thing we're going to do is open Settings, scroll down to Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Under View App Activity Details or Ways to Disconnect, we have different features like app timers. For example, it will set an app timer for when the selected app will reset, which means it will clean it up. Then we have bedtime mode, where you can set when you go to sleep and when you wake up for either the whole week or selected days. Then we also have focus, which allows us to disable some apps whenever we enable focus. For example, we can select different apps to disable like Google, Instagram, Temu, YouTube Music, or whatever apps might be distracting for you when you need to focus on your task. Once you select those, you can press on the Set a Schedule icon, select the days and time when it starts and ends, then click Set. It will turn on and off following the schedule, and you can also turn it off at any time in the settings. Then you have screen time reminders, which remind you how much you've been using your phone throughout the day. You can disable notifications when using digital well-being, and you can use the heads-up feature, so while you're walking and using your phone, it will notify you to pick your head up and look forward. That is pretty much it for this whole menu, so just set up the things you need for a good focus mode. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.